right, hello my wonderful seniors, my college prep math, my senior math. I miss you guys so much. Before I do this is gonna be a very short video. I wanna let you guys know that this is the very last assignment I'm gonna give you guys, just because it's due next week, next Thursday. So next Monday is a holiday, obviously, it's Memorial Day. It's due next week, and then after that, it's finals week. So obviously we're not having a final in this class. I really just miss you guys a lot. And as we get closer to our graduation day, I'm just thinking about you guys and hope you guys are all being safe. I know a lot of you are working, which is awesome. Yeah, so this is officially our last assignment. I thought I'd, just do a throwback, kind of easy. Got some polynomials. I'm gonna give you 2 practice problems, and then I'm going to assign you just a 10-question quizzes. It's gonna be on quizzes this week. It's only 10 questions. It is basic adding and subtracting polynomials. We are not multiplying polynomials, so no worries there. Okay, when we're adding, obviously poly means many. The nomial means term, so we have 2 polynomials. Specifically, we have 2 binomials. Bi means 2 terms, so boom and boom. This binomial is added to this binomial, all right? We always want to look at the middle sign. That plus sign, you guys should remember, means that the signs in the second parenthesis will never change. So that is still going to be a positive 5 or a plus 5. That's going to be a minus 3x or subtract 3x, okay? It's basically glorified combining like terms, all right? So here we go. That's 6, that's my regular number. I'm looking at my 5 right there. If I wanna just kind of simply rewrite it out, 6, drop down the plus sign, 5. I know we haven't been in school for a while, but we know that 6 plus 5 is 11, okay? And then as I taught you guys, I always try to cross those out when I'm done with them. All right, my next terms, so I have a minus 7x, okay, so that's a negative 7x, and a negative 3x. So I'm gonna write this out. If I technically drop down the plus sign and then a minus 3x, is that minus sign gonna cancel out? It's not, because it's not 2 negatives. So I can easily rewrite that as negative 7x just minus 3x, which makes sense because right when we started, we said that minus sign is not gonna cancel out. You see the plus sign, you're like, oh, 7 plus 3, that'd be negative 4. So no, it's not, because it's not, that minus sign, that subtraction sign does not cancel out. It overtakes that plus sign, and it's just negative 7 minus 3, so we keep going in the negative direction, and that's gonna be negative 10x. Because these are not like terms, guess what? We have our final answer, 11 minus 10x. Or if you wanted to rewrite it, it's negative 10x. Well, that 11 is positive, so we have to put a plus sign. There we go. So either one is correct. All right, it's important on the quizzes assignment, when you guys do this, your answer, I had it to where it will accept either one. So when you put in your answer though, don't put any spaces. So for example, if you got the answer as negative 10x plus 11, on your quizzes assignment for the answer, just put the minus sign, 10x, the plus sign, 11, with no spaces, and it'll count it right for you, okay? All right, last one. Everyone's favorite, when there's a minus sign. Okay, so if there's a minus sign or a subtraction sign, that means these signs are all gonna change. Don't think that they're all gonna be negative or all gonna be positive. That positive 2 is gonna change to a negative. That negative 4 is gonna change to a positive. Because technically speaking, with that minus and there's an invisible 1, we're just distributing a negative 1, which changes the signs. All right, here we go. We have 8. There's my first constant, and I have kind of a negative 4. So I'll show you why they change. 8, if I drop down that minus sign, that's a negative 4 right there. Ah, sweet. 2 minus signs back to back, they cancel out, make a plus. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Right, which makes sense because if I didn't write it out like that, I have a positive 8. With that minus sign, that negative turns to a positive. 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, cross those out because I'm done with them. Now let's look at my other ones. I have a negative x, which is technically a negative 1x. If I drop down that minus sign, here's that 2x right there, which is originally positive, but since it's originally positive, that minus sign is going to change it to a negative. Boom, so we have it right there. So that's a negative 1x minus 2x, so it keeps going in the negative direction. That is negative 3x. Now, obviously, these are not like terms, so we just put those together as our binomial answer, and we got it. So it's either negative 3x plus 12. Remember, when you're doing this in quizzes, don't put any spaces, just put it all together like that. Or 12, because it's positive, I'm not going to put anything right here, minus 3x. There we go. Easy schmeezy for you guys. So, all right, I know I can go on and on and on and on about how I wish you guys were here. You know, just 2.5 weeks left. You know, you guys are the class, like I said before, that's going to go down in history. So you guys really are. I'm going to end it with, oh, look, you can already see. Heart. Boom, 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 boom. All right. See you guys.